On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
What's up, boys and girls? Welcome to Cheezy's Garage again. You guys are asking for more motorcycle videos? Here you go. What's up, Gizmo? Brought a chipmunk up in the living room, huh? Let it go. You better go up and find it. So I'm going to put the knobbies on a Condor today. That's right. My name is Cheesy. What the heck? She's tight.
That's what he said.
Oh, wow. Torqued it up good. That's different. I guess we'll leave that right on there. I know, flirting with disaster here. But I think the stem is better that way. What the heck? What is that? It's water. Black water. Oh, black water. Get the old tire tampoon here. Make sure our direction is right. These are directional. So this away. That's 5 off, so. Rotation front, we got it right. One down, one to go. I like my knobbies, as you all know. It's a little tight, huh? Oh. It's got a rubber cushioned hub on this. If you want a pair of these glorious knobbies for your China clone Grom or your Grom, they're the same size. I have the link down below. This goes this way. A tire tampon. Like I say, it's 5 over. Make sure this little piece is in there, a spacer. Rides in that little groove there, right there, where my finger is. That holds the whole assembly from spinning. Not a bad tensioner assembly here. Chain tension's good, same amount sticking out on both sides, so we're straight, and that's that. I didn't put the cap. I did buy Blade's old TBR7. I'll probably end up putting that motor on here, the CG250. That'll wake this up with another 100 cc's, I would think, but not quite yet. I have a nibby carb coming in, 28mm, so we're going to try that. We'll go through stages, but I do want to bring this down to Florida and leave this in Florida. Let's test these knobbies out. I think I did shut the gas. No, I guess not. See if it starts no choke. Oh. It's been a while. Had a lot of rain last night. Hope it's not terribly muddy. I didn't bring any cutters. Silly me. Or gloves. hopefully this isn't the worst of it. Ow, you got me. Got me again. Unprepared. Should clear up after this. You'd think my blood would be yellow cheese, right? Oh, I hate these. One more. Maybe. I haven't been back here in quite a while. Darn it. There ain't no way I'm moving that. No way. Need a chainsaw. I did think about bringing that. Maybe I'll go back, see if there's a way I can strap it like on Whitey. Definitely have my tires pumped up too hard too. I guess I'll go to plan B. Damn thorn bushes. Better put some gas in here, since there is no reserve. Come on. Good enough. Spilled a little bit. Definitely too rich. I think I mentioned that the last ride. But I'm gonna wait for that new nibby carb to come in. The knobbies don't ride too bad. Yeah, we'll see what we can get out of this 150 with that nibby carb. And then we'll put that CG 250 engine on once we're done. Get as much as we can out of this 150. It's actually a 230cc. It's on the Hawk and the TBR7s, you know, that motor. And then we'll have another Grom eater here. No doubt. For those of you that questioned that I didn't balance these tires, it's because typically these small 12-inch tires, they're pretty close, unless the tire is way off. The rim's usually right on pretty good. And I mean, realistically, what's the top speed on this going to be? 80? Even, you know, I mean, right now it's like 60 something. Be testing another e-bike here pretty shortly. Good job, Condor.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.